Hey friends, if you wish to convert a PowerPoint presentation to a video, then please watch this video. Now, you must be knowing that you basically use a PowerPoint presentation as a video, though you present it as slides to your team. But here's the thing: it is in a form of video. Like you stay on a slide for a few seconds, you explain it, then the next slide, and so on. You can add audio, you can add elements and everything. But if I wish to export it as an MP4 video, then it's very easy. Simply click on File, select Save As, choose a location, change it from this to MPEG for video, and then let's say I'm saving it on the desktop, and then select this one. Now I'll tell you what happens. Just watch this. I have this saved here. I'll double click on it and I will be able to run it as well. Okay, watch this. Watch this video for a few seconds. Right, the second slide stays here for 5 seconds or a while, and then the third slide, and so on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.